Hello, I'm Sandy Girl. For every gig that Snokonoko attends, Nwadada takes 1,000 rand for management fee. Nwadada opened a WhatsApp group so that all financial transactions could be transparent and available to everyone, so that the DJ could know how much he's getting. Snokonoko and Snokonoko's sister could know that this is how much Snokonoko gets from the gig, this is how much the manager gets, the DJ and the dancer. So why Snokonoko decided to cut ties with Nwadada, I don't know. We just woke up all of a sudden, Snokonoko making videos telling people that, if they want to book him, this is the new number and so forth. Nwadada went to Street Talk podcast and then she was just sharing her side of the story. And then I saw social media handler Snokonoko commenting. I just listened to the full interview now. Good people, I have records, screenshots of her stepping down because I'm not able to transfer her 1,000 rand per gig. Again, she keeps on closing comment section on her page because there is a person who asks relevant question and she blocks them. So I believe this could be Snokonoko's social media handler, as Snokonoko cannot see. So hi guys, if it's not Tsekeleke and Dr. Malinga, Nwadada and Snokonoko, and I never believed that this could happen between the two of them, But anyway, there's two sides of the story, and then there's the truth. I wish that Snokonoko could also go to a podcast and then just say his side of the story as well. But he looks like a peaceful person,
So I'm create a family group. Yeah, WhatsApp. Keep it Snokin family.
Yes.
It's a phone more. Everything is transparent. If we create a gigi, 3.5. It all wants a conversation or gigi okay, and then the banking details as Snoki, relocate mo quotation name. Chelata directly go and then the event organizers do proof of payment. Proof of payment take a local group. When I as his younger sister, let DJ Ramoloka, DJ Samalan every day. DJ to Moloka or how I know Sayadi gigging Kosuka Samal one of always. Oh, on a liena. Back home to Abaropi, no gigging at 3.5, hope to deposit at 2,000, also to 1.5. Oh, I can't use the local gigging about the event organizer. Happen, I know. Or our outstanding balance get 3.5 costs no one but I'm advantage. That's why everything mainly proof of payment in the Mara family group. DJ Adibone, legislative sister Adibone, everything. And then Karakira Gigi a longer than you charge 3.5. Even Nomzar, I cannot tell it, I get 2,000. Come phone then. Awiti, okay, spell 2,000. How can now if I can Aritzi? I sister Aritzi, Nomsar Rumela 1,000, local group and guys. Benny, only am quoting outstanding balance 1,000 rand. Maras no go to why it's hurry outstanding balance kebukai cause if I can. That's how we used to work. Transparency in everything.
Legoles Snokonoko.
Pare, negele gozi, kechavi, negele gozi, can the Gersham kechavi. I Boko Arama, can the Gere Boko Arama. I can't the Sham name PK. I shall name PK, Boga Raman name PK. Negasina planning, Negasati Guangaya. Negasina planning, Negasati Guangaya. Negasatoran Gayeta. Eshban PK. Egeragabole, Baramon Nabar Sagana. Chobar Sagana, Gamapodi, Sabogara. Chobar Sagana, Gamapodi, Sashama Bogara. Tony Van PK. Very session Sagana, Gamazurisi. Zirisi, Shem Saganaga, Marasirisi.